new Starlink RV has arrived to install in our Jayco Journey Outback. I'm just going to unbox it and then do a quick test in Brisbane, about 10 k's from the CBD. There has been some reports of people receiving used dishes, so I'll be on the lookout for anything that looks like that. Doesn't look like the base plate's been installed anyway, so that's good. Not noticing anything on like the push buttons or the back of the dish. People have reported like marks on the back of the dish, so this one doesn't look like it. Looks like it's all brand new. Rectangular dish, which is the Gen 2. There, instructions, nice and simple. We got the router. It all looks to be in new condition, so no issues with me being given any second-hand gear here. Power cable. The Ethernet cable. It's a foiled twisted pair. Looks to be a Cat 5e cable. That's good. More than capable of delivering Starlink speeds. And some instructions. So that is everything in the box. We'll just lay it out on the table here. And the router as well. Alright, let's plug it in and give it a test. Instructions seem simple enough. Set it up and plug it in. Plug it into the router and into power. Then connect it on the out. Let's see how we go, and I'll do a screen recording. First step, setting it up on the driveway, but it's not very obstructed, and we're going to just see how it goes. First step, we'll get this into its base plate. Clicks in, and that's about it for now. And we'll run this cord inside into the caravan and plug it into the router. In the van, got the inverter on, back to the lithium battery. I'll plug this in. Plug that into the base. Get the Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable is keyed, so it should only go in one way. Yep. So we open the Starlink app. Start setup. So find a location that's not really obstructed. I have a location. Plug in the Starlink. Now we'll join the network. Starlink. Connected. So now we've got to create the network. So I'm just going to call this caravan. Password, we'll just go caravan. Create. And we've got to reconnect to the network. Takes a while to pop up. Connect. I'll jump back to the Starlink app. Skip straight past that configuration step. I'll leave this run so we can see how long it actually takes in Brisbane in 4107. All set. Done. I'll do a speed test. So my advice would be let this speed test run first and then do an advanced speed test. So it is about 3:30 on a Wednesday afternoon, so near and peak hour in the CBD. So not expecting anything fantastic like some of the stuff I see online, but it's still pretty good. I'll do a comparison with my Telstra 5G after this. So 61 and 8, not too bad, not fantastic. So then you just swipe up for an advanced test. We'll run that as well. It'll tell you sort of your local speed to your router as well as the internet speed. So pretty good on the Starlink speed test and the advanced test. And then we'll just see what my Android device to the router is at the end. It should be pretty similar to the previous screen, but then again it may not. So it is a bit higher, a fair bit higher, so I'm not sure why that discrepancy there. Anyone in the comments, let us know if you're a Starlink expert. Okay, and that's the advanced speed test. So I'll run a Telstra 5G speed test so you can see the difference. So Telstra 5G speed test should be pretty good considering the time of day compared to Starlink. It was in the afternoon and partially obstructed with all the cloud cover and the trees, so I'm expecting this to be a fair bit better. Yeah, that's a lot better. But I mean, you don't have 5G and 4G everywhere, so that's where Starlink comes into its own. Starlink's spun itself around to find the optimal view of the satellites. And I mean, how easy is that? Quick and easy setup, good internet speeds. I really look forward to testing it out in the campgrounds.